This is second grade vocabulary. Welcome to lesson 9. Let's begin. Alert. Alert means watchful. Example: the soldier was alert to make sure the area was safe. The soldier was alert to make sure the area was safe. Alert means watchful. Recipe. Recipe is a set of directions for preparing something to eat. Example: Kate found her grandmother's famous turkey pot pie recipe. Kate found her grandmother's famous turkey pot pie recipe. So if you look at the image over here, here's a recipe showing the directions telling us how to make crispy cardamom sugar cookies. So recipe is a set of directions for preparing something to eat. Route is a way to go. So if you look at the image over here, there are many ways to, like for example, you want to start, if this is your destination and you start here, you can go in many different directions. You can take many different routes. But if you choose this route to go, if you choose this way to go, this is the route. So route is a way to go. Example: Bob takes the same route to school every day. Bob takes the same route to school every day. Route is a way to go. Cowboy is a worker on a cattle ranch or in rodeos. If you look at the image over here, here's a cowboy wearing a big hat and wearing boots, riding on a horse. So, example: the cowboy wore boots and a big hat. The cowboy wore boots and a big hat. Cowboy is a worker on a cattle ranch or in rodeos. Planet. Planet is one of the large bodies that moves around the sun. Example: the third planet from the sun is Earth, the planet you live on. The planet that we live on, actually, right? The third planet from the sun is Earth, the planet you live on. If you look at the image over here, here's a picture of the sun, and these are the planets that orbit the sun, that goes around the sun. So these are the planets in our solar system. Planet is one of the large bodies that moves around the sun. Summer is the season between spring and fall. Example: Bob likes to go to the swimming pool in the summer. Bob likes to go to the swimming pool in the summer. If you look at the image over here, where else do people like to go in the summer? Some people like to go to the beach. So here's a picture of beach that people like to go in the summer. So here's a picture of a starfish too. So summer is the season between spring and fall. Absolute means perfect or complete. Example: everything he told the judge was the absolute truth. Everything he told the judge was the absolute truth. Absolute means perfect or complete. Aim means to point or direct something at a goal or target. Example: Bob took aim at the basket and shot the ball to make the winning basket. Bob took aim at the basket and shot the ball to make the winning basket. So when we shoot arrows with the bow, we need to aim at our target, right? So aim means to point or direct something at a goal or target. Easily. If you do something easily, you do it in an easy manner without trying hard. Example: after months of practice, she won the race easily. After months of practice, she won the race easily. So if you notice, she's almost at the finish line, and there isn't anybody really close behind her. So she won the race easily. So if you do something easily, you do it in an easy manner. Sparkle. Sparkle means to shine or glitter. Example: I love the ways your eyes sparkle when you smile. I love the ways your eyes sparkle when you smile. Here's an image of something sparkling in the night sky. Sparkle means to shine or glitter. This ends lesson 9. Thank you for watching. Keep up the hard work.